Your fence is supposed to stand strong, but when the heat cranks up, vinyl can warp and bend. Don't let the sun ruin your investment. In this video, we'll show you the reasons why vinyl warps, the science behind it, and the best ways to keep your fence in top shape, no matter how hot it gets. Vinyl is a type of plastic, which means it expands and softens when exposed to heat. Prolonged exposure to high temperatures, especially direct sunlight, causes the material to lose its structural integrity, leading to bending and warping. If the fence is installed too rigidly, the lack of flexibility exacerbates the problem. Not all vinyl fences are created equal. If you're installing a new fence, opt for high-quality, UV-resistant vinyl designed to withstand extreme temperatures. These materials contain additives that help prevent sun damage and warping over time. Like all materials, vinyl expands and contracts with temperature changes. Properly installed fences include expansion gaps, allowing the panels to move naturally without causing stress on the material. If installed too tightly, the vinyl has nowhere to go, leading to warping and cracks. Direct sunlight is the biggest enemy of vinyl fences. One way to reduce exposure is by planting shrubs, hedges, or trees near your fence line. This helps lower surface temperatures and reduces the risk of warping. If you live in an area with extreme heat, consider cooling down your fence periodically. Spraying it with water during the hottest part of the day can reduce surface temperatures and prevent excessive expansion. Regular inspections and maintenance can prevent small issues from becoming major problems. Check for loose panels, cracks, and early signs of warping. Tightening loose posts and cleaning off debris will help extend the lifespan of your vinyl fence. Need professional fence installation? Our team at Kaan Fence Inc. has you covered. Call us today at 781-767-3596 or visit kaanfenceinc.com for expert advice and top-quality fencing solutions.